The top 3 health benefits of consuming turmeric. Hey everyone! Welcome back to CLB Healthy Remedies, where we explore simple ways to boost your health and well-being. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful superfoods, turmeric. It's vibrant, it's versatile, and it's packed with health benefits that you don't want to miss. Stick around as we uncover the top 3 health benefits of consuming turmeric and how it can revolutionize your wellness journey. Let's kick things off with the first big benefit: turmeric's amazing ability to reduce inflammation. You've probably heard of inflammation. It's your body's natural response to injury or illness. But when inflammation sticks around too long, it can turn into a silent killer, contributing to diseases like arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Now here's the good news. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin blocks certain molecules in your body that trigger inflammation, essentially acting as a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers, but without the side effects. Here's an easy way to harness turmeric's benefits. Make a golden latte. Combine turmeric with your milk of choice, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. It's warm, delicious, and super comforting, especially on a chilly day. I make this almost every evening. It's a perfect way to unwind while doing something great for your health. Alright, let's talk about turmeric's brain-boosting benefits. Did you know that turmeric can help keep your brain sharp and may even protect against mental decline? That's thanks to curcumin, which increases levels of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF for short. Think of BDNF as a fertilizer for your brain. It helps your brain cells grow, repair, and stay healthy. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to conditions like depression, anxiety, and Alzheimer's disease. By consuming turmeric, you're essentially giving your brain a leg up in staying vibrant and functional as you age. One of my favorite ways to enjoy turmeric for brain health is by making turmeric ginger tea. Just steep fresh turmeric root and ginger in hot water, add a squeeze of lemon, and sweeten it if you like. It's refreshing, it's calming, and it feels like a mental recharge in a cup. Raise your hand if you're ready to give your brain a little love. Seriously, let me know in the comments if you've ever noticed a mental clarity boost after adding turmeric to your diet. And now for benefit number 3, digestive health. A happy gut means a happy you, and turmeric is here to help. Curcumin stimulates bile production in the liver, which helps your body break down and digest fats more effectively. It's also known for its antibacterial properties, which can help balance your gut microbiome. You might be wondering, how do I add turmeric to my meals without feeling like I'm eating curry every day? Don't worry, it's super versatile. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, mix it into soups or stews, or even stir it into rice dishes for that beautiful golden color. See how easy that is. Not only does turmeric add a subtle earthy flavor, but it also works quietly behind the scenes to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Trust me, your gut will thank you. Okay, I know some of you might be thinking, how can I actually start using turmeric every day? So here are a few fun and creative ways to get started. Turmeric smoothies. Blend frozen bananas, mango, a splash of almond milk, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. It's tropical, creamy, and oh so good. Turmeric face masks. Yes, you can even use turmeric for your skin. Mix it with yogurt and honey for a natural glow. Turmeric in baking. Add a teaspoon to muffins, pancakes, or even banana bread for an antioxidant boost without altering the flavor too much. And hey, don't knock it till you try it. These turmeric muffins are a family favorite in my house. So there you have it, 3 powerful reasons to make turmeric a part of your daily life. To recap, turmeric helps reduce inflammation, boosts brain health, and supports digestion. Plus, it's so easy to incorporate into your routine, whether it's in drinks, meals, or even desserts. Now I want to hear from you. How do you plan to use turmeric? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay golden, everyone.